Hi, my name is Victoria Villasenor. This is my chemistry video project over 4-amino benzoic acid. I'm in chemistry section 11083.
Okay, hello, this is Victoria Villasenor. This is my video project. I just wanted to know if you knew what 4-amino benzoic acid is.
No.
Alright, that's great. Hello. This is Katie here, and I just wanted to ask you a couple quick questions. Do you know what 4-amino benzoic acid is?
No.
Alright. Alrighty. This is Madison here from Rudy's Barbecue, and we just wanted to ask you a quick couple questions. Do you know what 4-amino benzoic acid is?
Why would I know what that is?
Alright. Alright. How are we doing today, Brandon?
Pretty good.
Alright, so I got a couple questions for you on my acid for my chemistry class. So I just want to know, do you know what 4-amino benzoic acid is?
It's an acid.
Anything else?
For sure an acid.
Alright. Hey Megan! Got a couple questions for you for my chemistry project. Do you want to participate? Alright, do you know what 4-amino benzoic acid is? Do you want to know what it is? Alright. Here we have Jared here. Jared, say hello.
Hello.
Alright, gonna ask him a couple questions about my chemistry project. Do you know what 4-amino benzoic acid is?
No, ma'am.
Got any guess?
Sounds like it glows.
Well, it doesn't glow, unfortunately, but that's a good guess. At least you guessed on that one.
What is 4-amino benzoic acid? 4-amino benzoic acid is a biological molecule that is found in human tissues and biofluids such as urine, feces, and blood. It is found in all eukaryotes, ranging from yeast to humans. It is found outside of the human body in pineapples and rice. And for the structure of the 4-amino benzoic acid, it is not symmetrical and contains a carboxyl group, which is part of an amino acid group. Some physical characteristics of 4-amino benzoic acid is that the melting point is 188.5 degrees Celsius. The boiling point is 339.9 degrees Celsius. 4-amino benzoic acid is an odorless, colorless crystal that discolors on exposure to light and air. It is also a solid. And a chemical property or characteristic of 4-amino benzoic acid is that when it is exposed to light, it absorbs UV light and emits excess energy via a photochemical reaction that can cause damage to DNA. Because of this, amino benzoic acid is no longer used in sunscreen. This is also a non-toxic acid, but it does cause a little bit of an irritant whenever it is applied in too heavy amounts. It can be toxic to rabbits, dogs, and mice. 4-amino benzoic acid has a cause of infamy. There are other molecules that perform similar functions that 4-amino benzoic acid does, and it is linked to benzoic acid, which is a weak acidic compound that is slightly soluble in water and is also found in human tissues and biofluids such as saliva, feces, urine, and sweat. It is primarily located in the cytoplasm and the endoplasmic reticulum. This molecule also belongs to a class called benzoic acids, which is corrosive, irritant, and causes health hazards. So it's a little bit more dangerous than 4-amino benzoic acid since it is only an irritant and it's part of a carboxyl group.
Alright, this is Marla here. And where do you think amino benzoic acid is found? It's a biological chemistry.
In your stomach?
Close. Alright, where is 4-amino benzoic acid found? What's your best guess?
In your stomach?
It's not found in the stomach, it's found in the blood, but that's a great guess.
Thanks.
Yes. Yes.
They're like, we're never going to reduce.
Alright. Alrighty, so since you don't really know what 4-aminobenzoic acid is, what's your best guess on where it's found?
Your foot.
Foot fungus?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay.
You're all right.
Alright, so the next question here is, where do you think 4-aminobenzoic acid is found?
In the human body,
Where in the human body?
in the stomach.
All of y'all said stomach so far. It's not found in the stomach, but that's a great guess.
Is it in the human body?
Yes.
In your mouth.
No. The other end of your body.
Oh.
All right, Megan. So here's another question for you. Where do you think 4-aminobenzoic acid is found? What's your best guess?
Somewhere in the human body.
Where do you think it's found in the human body?
Your mouth?
It's out of the other end, unfortunately. All right. All right, Jared, got another question for you tonight. Where do you think 4-aminobenzoic acid is found?
No idea.
You got a guess?
Cleaning supplies.
It is a biological substance, so it is not in cleaning supplies.
Where can 4-aminobenzoic acid be found? 4-aminobenzoic acid can be found in local grocery stores whenever you are buying or purchasing sunscreen products, and it is also a local anesthetic agent. It is made industrially. It was originally discovered on September 16th, 2004. It is a UVB absorber, meaning it can absorb wavelengths between 290 nanometers and 320 nanometers. It was one of the first active ingredients found in sunscreen. Does 4-aminobenzoic acid come from multiple sources? Yes, it does come from multiple sources. It has a conjugate acid of 4-aminobenzoate. It has a role as an Escherichia coli metabolite, a plant metabolite, and a Saccharomyces cerevisiae metabolite. And does it exist in large amounts, or is it rare? 4-aminobenzoic acid does exist in large amounts, but when it does exist in large amounts, it becomes harmful to the human body and can trigger an allergic response if not careful. I'm here to announce that 4-aminobenzoic acid has won Villain of the Year. 4-aminobenzoic acid deserves Villain of the Year award more than any other molecule. This molecule is essential to life in all eukaryotes, ranging from yeast to humans. It is found in human tissues and biofluids such as feces, urine, and blood. It can also be found in things outside the human body such as pineapples and rice. 4-aminobenzoic acid is part of a carboxyl group. And 4-aminobenzoic acid is a vitamin-like substance that serves as a growth factor for many microorganisms. It is an ultraviolet screen and an active ingredient in sunscreens, but it was later found harmful to the human body in large amounts. It causes an irritant. Therefore, it was removed from most sunscreens. In the 1980s, within animal studies, it was suggested that there may be an increased risk of cellular UV damage if it was still used. Thus, then created the Villain of the Year 4-aminobenzoic acid, since it is now considered harmful to the human body when used externally. I just want to give a huge thanks to my work team that participated in my videos for the man on the street questions. I thought it was really funny, and it was very interesting to see what other people had to say on a molecule I didn't even know about before I started this project. I also used very many resources such as PubChem, ChemSpider, Britannica, Science Direct, Penn State Hershey, and many others to help create this project and find information on 4-aminobenzoic acid. But this concludes my project and my video project. So thank you all for watching, and thank you to everybody who helped me with this project.